What is going on here? Can anybody remember? Can somebody tell me what is happening here? My prince, anything remember? Prince?
Don't mind the food. He likes to call me Prince. I look like all this.
No wonder. Photo. Who dash monkey banana prince? For this kind of compound, prince go first for this kind of environment.
I tell you.
No tell you now.
That's why we would do so.
I tell you.
Don't mind
Not
this
try
stupid
again,
boy.
no prince.
Don't mind this stupid boy.
Now who wants to prince?
Don't mind this stupid boy.
Okay. Just speak and be happy.
You like this one?
I like him. Okay, thank you.
No wala now. Small thing, small thing.
Bend down,
No,
select.
check well
Don't
though.
try him again, no.
There you go. I don't know why you like.
Don't try that.
Far can be free.
No, my prince.
Far can be happy. Far can be happy.
All right now.
Bend down, select. My prince.
Who's your prince? Who's your prince? Who's your prince?
Oh, from
Jot.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Please, what is the meaning of this? How can you dash our clothes and shoes out? What are we going to be wearing?
Okrika.
Okay, Gini.
Okrika.
Gino,
Bend down, select. Eh? That is what people hear. That is what they wear. If we must fit into this community, we have to look like them. We have to smell like them. We have to talk like them. We have to dress like them to fit in. Okay, we are here on a mission. We're here on a mission. Don't spoil this mission for me. What did you expect? So all the fine clothes that we brought from Amana will be dressed in looking like. They will now look different. They start suspecting us. Use your head.
Hey! Who is the brain behind this? Get on your here. You mean here? But my prince. Hey!
Are you a fool?
My Oga. Sorry.
Who's your prince? What's my name? What's my name?
Everybody knows.
What's my name?
Oga Fam.
What's my name?
Oga Fam.
What's my name?
Oga Fam.
Idiot!
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
That's why you almost blew our cover now. My face, my face.
Oga Fam. Oga Fam is the goat.
I will use a machete on your head.
Okay. Oga Fam. Hey! Hey! Ooh! See, let me tell you, if not that I took an oath to protect you, I for don't kidnap you. I for kidnap you. Go sell you to any palmer who I know. Now, see, you. We never even suffer finish for this mad woman house. Will you bring me come? Now my shoe, my clothes. Hey! Can you imagine? My Balenciaga, my Valentino designers. You will have pointed the number of towns. Thereabouts.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.